Meet the 2026 Lexus NX, a compact luxury SUV that redefines refinement and performance in the modern era. With bold styling, cutting-edge technology, and Lexus's signature attention to detail, this SUV is more than just transportation. It's a statement piece. From the front, the 2026 Lexus NX commands attention. The redesigned fascia features a slimmer, frameless spindle grille that blends seamlessly into the bodywork, creating a more assertive and aerodynamic look. Sharp LED headlights with distinctive L-shaped daytime running lights give the NX its undeniable Lexus identity. The front bumper now features cleaner lines and functional air intakes, balancing elegance with sporty aggression. This SUV is bold, confident, and truly premium. Along the sides, Lexus has kept the NX's proportions sleek and muscular. The shoulder line flows smoothly from front to rear, creating a dynamic stance even at a standstill. Sleek chrome accents around the windows and striking alloy wheels provide a touch of luxury and modernity. The gently tapered roofline hints at coupe-like sportiness without sacrificing SUV practicality. Moving to the rear, the look becomes even more futuristic. A continuous LED light bar stretches across the rear, connecting the two taillights for a clean, unified design. The LED X's lettering replaces the traditional logo, emphasizing the brand's new design direction. A sporty diffuser and quad exhaust tips at the bottom complete the look, reminding you that elegance and performance go hand in hand. Under the hood, the 2026 NX offers a variety of engine options, from efficient hybrids to powerful turbocharged engines. The NX 350 features a 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, producing approximately 275 horsepower, while the NX 450h Plus plug-in hybrid takes performance and efficiency to the next level, offering over 300 combined horsepower and up to 40 miles of all-electric range. The ride is incredibly smooth thanks to the refined Lexus suspension tuning, while the steering feels precise and responsive, perfect for both city driving and long highway trips. Climb inside and you'll be greeted by true Lexus luxury. The cabin feels like a work of art with soft leather upholstery, wood accents, and ambient lighting that envelops you. A 14-inch touchscreen dominates the center console, supported by the latest Lexus interface system, complete with voice assistant, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an upgraded Mark Levinson premium sound system for audiophiles. The seats are heated and ventilated, offering excellent support for long drives, and every surface feels meticulously polished. It's a driver-focused environment that doesn't neglect comfort. The 2026 Lexus NX is expected to start around $42,000 for the standard NX 250, while hybrid and plug-in models can go up to $58,000 depending on configuration. The official release is expected in late 2025, with deliveries beginning in early 2026, just in time to redefine luxury in the new year. So what do you think of the new 2026 Lexus NX? With its elegant looks, advanced hybrid technology, and signature Lexus luxury, it sets a new standard in the premium compact SUV segment. Share your thoughts below, hit the like button, and subscribe for more reviews of the latest cars redefining the future of driving.